This is Matt, and I'm in Fort Worth, Texas, where it's frozen. And the trouble is there's these rolling blackouts, so you never know when you're going to have power. So we've gone up to about 12 or 13 hours with no power. Then you get it for about 30 minutes to an hour. You turn your heat on, you try to run the dishwasher, you maybe try to do a load of laundry, and then the power goes out again. So you're again 12 hours no power. There's some people that have had no power for 31 hours, and there's other people that have not had any disruptions. So it's hard to know, we're very blessed because eventually power comes back on. We're allowed to kick the heat on. Today it came on. We cooked a pizza. We did some refried beans. It was so exciting to actually have hot food. And I know it sounds crazy. The benefit of having it be so cold, all our frozen stuff we put out in the snow, and all our refrigerated stuff I put in a cooler with snow on top of the food. So we're actually not using our fridge because it's unreliable. But I just wanted to touch base because I'm so thankful to be part of the silver community. And what this has revealed is when it's time, you have to act, right? Like when we had power, I have lights right now, so I decided to shave so that I could be presentable on Zoom at work tomorrow. Like I used that 10 minutes. I said, I gotta go shave and take a hot shower. This was a great moment. So be thankful for what you have. I'm learning, because again, this is never supposed to happen in Texas, but it can happen, right? So we are still frozen. We'll be frozen till the end of the week, and then hopefully we can start to thaw. But again, it reveals that we need to take advantage of the moments. So if you're new to my channel, that's what my channel is about. I'm all about learning about coins, learning about silver, and now with the silver squeeze and the hopes of silver running, I think it's our jobs to teach people about silver so that they can join us. Because it's going to be more than the community right now. We need more people interested in coins, interested in silver, and we already have a huge community with some big channels, and there's a lot of little guys like me and little girls, right? There's channels, male and female, but we all just have to work together. So we all have our different preferences. Like Stacking Stormtrooper, he had a video today about your footprint or your fingerprint. What is your collection say about you? And that speaks so true to all of us. We're all a little different. We all have different preferences and different goals, but we're really doing the same thing. We're collecting silver. We're converting our currency to something better. And I am just a fan of the whole community. I love, again, Stacking Stormtrooper and I had a little fun issue, but we're making up, and it's because he loves the good stuff and I love the 35 and 40% stuff, Actually, I love it all. That's the fun part of it. But I'm so happy to be here. I just wanted to speak to you all, again, from Texas, from the frozen tundra, and explain what it is like here. It is kind of rough. Like I say, I'm blessed because our power kicks on about every 12 hours, and we have about a half hour to an hour of heat and electricity. But then after that, we're back to darkness and flashlights. So again, lesson learned, you just have to be prepared. So I'm so thankful that you're here. I'm very excited for Saturday and Sunday when we start to thaw, and I'm very excited for the future of silver. So join me if you are a fan of silver, and I'll see you guys next time.